Okay, let's get started. So, what you're gonna do, you can go to File and New. That is one way. Another way, you can do Control N on PC, and you can open a new file. Yeah. Okay, this one's very handy. You see that this icon, it's a new. It's like a little page with a plus sign. So you can click that too. Now with Clip Studio, you can have a couple options to choose from. You have illustration, webtoon, a full page comic. You can also do like a little booklet, which is very handy. And you have the option to do all the comic settings to what you need it. Another handy thing is the animation. It's pretty fun just to play with it. But today we're going to use illustration. I may go over these more in the future. Okay, next you can choose the name of your illustration. I'm going to be working on today a folktale thing. Probably the old Griffin illustration. Alright. You can also make little animated stickers, which is very cute. What I love, you can make your own custom presets. Today I'll be using 8x8, but if you can customize it for books and other things you need. US letter, 1920 by 1080. Very handy. To do this, you can add your dimensions in these boxes. Custom, make sure it's on custom. And then you can save it right there, and this little box should come up and you can type in your file name. And you can change the resolution, template, paper color, and all that. Or animated illustration settings. And you can choose what kind of I guess unit it's in. Centimeters, millimeters, inches, pixels, and this. Now for the basic expression color, you can choose how many colors you want to use. So color, gray, or monochrome. It's very handy, like if you're trying to do studies and things. Another great feature is you can choose the paper color, like ahead of time, and it saves it for you. Let's see. Alright, you can use the hue circle. I have it to beige or cream, so the screen doesn't hurt my eyes. Now, you can choose from the color wheel, the hue circle, and you can adjust the, I like this, you can adjust the saturation. And you can use the color sets that you've made beforehand. Summerish, my palette. Or you can use the color history. Yeah. And if you need a specific color, like, you can always type it in the hex. Right here. And then you can click OK. Now another feature that I love is template. What you can do, you can click on this and it will give you options for different templates, like for comics or for your illustration. You can also make your own. And you can put it in this file. I accidentally put a brush test in here, but we can talk about that in another video. And you can use the user tags to find what you need. It makes it very organized and nice. Okay. Now, I haven't played with created animated illustration a lot, but what you can do, you just click it, and you can choose the number of cells you want, and the frame rate. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Oh, and you can also record the time lapse, like your drawing time lapse. So, yeah. And after you chose all of what you needed, you click OK. Yay! And now you are ready to draw. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button to always stay up to date. See you next time, friends!